Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to unsubscribe from Fashion Nova email. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Fashion Nova, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts or rewards or promos upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to log into your Gmail account. So just go to Gmail, and because it is unsubscribing to an email, of course you need to go to your Gmail because that is where you can, do that. So after you go to your Gmail and log into your Fashion Nova email, so what you're going to do now is to find a Fashion Nova email right here. So I'm going to find a promotion email from Fashion Nova. So for example, this is a Fashion Nova promotion email. And if I want to cancel or unsubscribe to this email, I can just scroll down until I find this option right here, Manage Preferences. So if I click Manage Preferences, I will be redirected to another page. And on that page, as you can see, I can, manage my preferences on what type of notification I want to receive from Fashion Nova. So if I don't want to, have a notification, I can just uncheck all of this box right here, so that there's no type of notification that will be sent to me. But yeah, after that you can just click update, and your my preferences will be updated automatically. So that is not actually unsubscribing from the email. If I want to unsubscribe for the email, I can just scroll down until I find the update or unsubscribe button. So I'm just going to go back to that page, and I'm just going to scroll down, and right here on the bottom part there is a unsubscribe button, and I can just click it to permanently unsubscribe from the email so that I cannot receive emails from Fashion Nova again. And yeah, that's it. So if I want to receive email from Fashion Nova again, I can just go back to this and manage my preferences again. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can unsubscribe from Fashion Nova emails. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.